Good morning, guys. How are you all doing today? You're welcome once again. Today, I will be showing us how you can open different tabs on Chrome. Yes, that is one of the questions I get from people in my DM that please, how can I open a tab? So, stay tuned. In this video, I will be taking you right to the step-by-step guide. So let's dive in. The first step is go to your Chrome and click on it. If you look at the upper part of my Chrome here, beside my Chrome profile picture, you are going to see that I have 13 in a cycle there. Those are the numbers of tabs that I have presently that are active on this Chrome. So if you click on it, it will display all those tabs for you. So these are what is called tabs. For those who might be new and don't know what tab means, when they say open a new tab and do this, this is what it means. These are the 13 tabs I have on this particular Chrome. If you see, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Each of it, if I click on each of it, it's going to come up. So if I click on this like this, it means this particular Skrill USD account is the one that is active presently. So I will need to work on it if that is what I want to work on. So let's assume I want to open a fresh or a new tab now. All you need to do is to click on this plus sign that you have here, this plus sign beside the 13 that I have presently. So if I click it, the old tab will not be active. You can see this is the Skrill USDT account I clicked on now. It's the one active presently, but if I click on a new tab like this, it will take me back to this place. Then you will click on this search bar and input what you want to search on that new tab. I hope you understand. So that is how you get new tab. So let's assume I want to open Google Doc. On the new tab, I'll just open it this way and click on any which one I want next. You can see from 13 it has moved to 14, which means I've opened another new tab on the Chrome bar. So this is how you open tab. You can open a new tab for anything, even if it's app and you don't have the app on your phone. For those that are saying, oh, my phone that cannot download all the app, it's not a must you download all the apps. You can log in with your Chrome browser or any other browser you are good at. We have Qt browser, we have Edge browser, we have Firefox, and so on and so forth. So that is how you open a new tab on Chrome. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to drop your comments, give it a like, and also join the family of Shola 247 for more updates. Thank you and bye for now.